Hi, I'm Jodi-Anne, a wellbeing educator and healing facilitator. I've channeled over 100 answers to questions about life. These have been recorded through automatic writing, answering a broad range of questions about life, how it works, and how we can be peaceful and happy. Today's topic is how do you focus on the goodness in your life and stop complaining? Join me as we explore this topic and go deep within to heal and find peace. It's human nature to notice what you do and don't have, and to see what others are doing and compare that to what you see in your own life. But everyone's here to have different experiences. And when I asked this question, Spirit told me that we get exactly what we need for our personal growth, healing, and the evolution of our spirit or our soul, our consciousness. Nothing happens by accident. It's all purposeful and serving a positive purpose to assist us in our awakening. So when we notice undesirable elements in our life, we do so to be triggered to get us to feel and release emotions so that we heal, and to motivate us to take action to change it if we desire. Many of us, unfortunately, just grumble about our life and feel stuck, lost, and can end up focusing on complaining about what's wrong. And doing so lowers our vibration, our vitality. It flattens and deadens us, and it leads to stagnation and decay. It's the road to depression and sadness. Instead, what we need to learn to do is to notice when we start to feel flat, negative, or sad, and to actually stop and rest, because it's only a part of us that is tired, lonely, scared, angry, whatever it is. If we can send love to that part of us, if we can recognize that it just needs love, acceptance, and attention, it will start to balance up. We need to show care to that part of ourselves, and it will feel better, and our energies will increase. This type of subpersonality or inner child work is so important because it's that part of us that's upset. It's not actually all of us. The adult part of us is fine. The adult is able to make decisions and choices to focus on the now and flow with what is. We just have to be able to access that adult part of us to stay or return in balance. The adult trusts is resourceful and capable. It's when the child takes over that we can feel really moody and lonely and get negative and pessimistic. The child, literally being a child, will sulk and pout and throw tantrums. But really, all that child within us is wanting is some love and attention. It's wanting to play and to have fun, to cuddle a teddy or dog, to be seen, heard, listened to, and valued. And then it'll let go of its sadness, its anger, its disappointment, its hurt or betrayed feelings, and it will focus on enjoying life because it's just like any other little kid. It wants to have fun. It doesn't want to wallow and stay stuck. But when it feels like its needs aren't met, it will throw a tantrum and it will sulk and pout. But if we can send love to that part of us, talk to and listen to its needs, it'll cheer up. Now, we all have an inner child, or really many inner children, because all the younger parts of us, with all the memories and experiences that we've been through, are stored within our body. And those younger selves, they hold our hopes and our dreams that we formed in our younger years. It's the child part of us that takes stock of what is, was, and what will be. And it thinks it knows what's going to happen based on what has happened, using the past as a prediction. But life is constantly changing. There's always room for growth and for new things to enter as we clear out the old and make space vibrationally for higher vibrating energy to enter our field. So the more that we clean out the old, the more that new energy and stuff can occur. We can manifest our desires when it's the right time, when we've cleared out the baggage that prevents us from having those things that we wish for. So life is always moving us forward in a positive direction, but we have to feel and release the buried trauma, the emotions, let go of the defense mechanisms and controlling energies in order to receive the new. So we're all going to go through challenges that trigger us, and these help us to release so that we actually can then get what it is that we desire, or to have our life be the way that we'd like it to be. We have to go through the cleansing process to remove the blockages so that we can actually move forward and do what we want. If you find yourself stuck in the mire of it all, weighed down by it all, take some deep breaths, comfort your inner child, and choose to rest to honour your needs for sleep, food, nurturance, and fun. If you can honour where you're at, you'll help your body to shift out of that energy and that mood. And this allows your vibration to rise. And there's so many ways of doing this, whether it's going for a walk in nature, whether it's listening to some relaxing music, having a hot bath, putting on some candles and some essential oils so that you have those lift your mood. There's lots of gentle restorative practices that you can do. Just standing barefoot on the grass, letting the earth's energy come up and help to soothe your body and your nervous system. There's lots of things you can do to help your energy to rise. But it requires us to actually stop and listen. It requires us to look after ourselves. So we've got to learn not to keep pushing or dragging our feet until we're totally exhausted or sick. We've got to listen to our body and its needs, take action to heal so that we feel better. We have what we have to help us heal. And as we do heal, what we have will change. When we think about it in that way, it doesn't matter if we don't have what we want right now, because it is shifting. Focus on the journey, on enjoying each moment to the best of your ability and allowing your progress to occur. Don't stay stuck wallowing in what is. Release it and trust that what you need is going to come to you, because we're all moving forward, we're all healing, and we're all doing the best we can. We need to learn to be kind and patient with ourselves as we progress, and just to take those little actions to help support ourselves to feel better as we go through what we need to go through to clear stuff out so that we can have what we're wanting in life. I hope you've found this useful. Thanks for watching this short video. It's my aim to empower people with the skills and knowledge to walk their healing journeys as gently and peacefully as possible. There's over 100 of these answers to questions about life available for free on the Life Insights page of my website. Please visit to learn more about the healing journey and ways to live peacefully and happily. Have a great day. Bye.